Today, we're going to talk about the TikTok traffic machine, how I generated my first $1,000 sale with a high-ticket affiliate program I'm involved with through TikTok. Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Garrido, chiropractor and entrepreneur, and on this channel, you can follow my journey as I attempt to make a full-time income with the Legendary Marketer program and also share with you valuable high-ticket affiliate marketing skills. So if this is the kind of content that you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. So today we're going to talk about how I generated my first $1,000 sale with TikTok. I'm going to talk to you about the overview of the system I'm using. I'm going to talk to you about the main goal as an affiliate marketer, which is traffic. Today we're going to go over TikTok. In future videos we'll go over Facebook groups and YouTube. I'll break down the anatomy of a viral TikTok video. I'll share with you some relevant stats around my TikTok videos. And if you have an interest in getting into the world of high-ticket affiliate marketing, particularly through the program of Legendary Marketer, I'll share with you how you can get involved by basically copying my system and focusing on traffic and getting your first high-commission sales. So let's start with the anatomy of my offer. So the overview of the system really involves 5 sequences. There's the lead capture page, email follow-up sequence, the bridge page, your high-converting offer, and then a value ladder. So the first thing, of course, is the bridge page. In my case, it's 15 days to legendary.com. On this page, my simple goal is to get people to click that green Start Now button. Once they click that green Start Now button, they're entered into my email sequence, my email follow-up sequence, which is about 35 messages long. After they enter their email address, they're automatically taken to my bridge page. The purpose of this bridge page is to bridge the traffic to the offer. Hopefully with all the content that I'm putting out there, people are beginning to like, know, and trust me. And with this bridge page, I'm giving them my endorsement on the offer that they're going to see next. And that offer, a high ticket offer by 9-figure marketer David Sharp. And he will do a fantastic job at converting people into the first part of the Legendary Marketer ecosystem. And in this case, it's the 15-day business builder challenge, only for $7. So it's extremely valuable content for the money that they're paying into. Now, the high converting offer, once we get them into the Legendary Marketer ecosystem, they are followed up with a number of different products and services down the road. Some of them leading to as high as $2,800 commissions to the affiliate. Here, I got a $1,000 commission from one of the blueprints that one of the prospects I introduced to the Legendary Marketer system bought into. When you get involved with the high-ticket affiliate marketing program, you want to make sure that there are various valuable products that they can get into and also high-ticket products where you can make high-ticket commissions. And that's the overview of the system, where it's essentially a lead capture page leading to a bridge page leading to the offer. Once they enter their email into the lead capture page, we have a follow-up sequence that goes 35 days. And this is the main goal of this whole thing, is to capture these email addresses. Because remember, emails, they're worth about 50 cents to $1 per month that you have in your email database. So if you have 1,000 email addresses, you can expect anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a month promoting affiliate offers. 10,000 emails, you're anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 a month. So once this system is set up, now this system can easily be mimicked. In fact, if you join with me with the Legendary Marketer program, I can get you set up in this in less than half a day or so. As an affiliate marketer, once this system is set up, your goal is to drive as much high quality traffic to this lead capture page as possible. In today's video, we're going to talk about TikTok. Now, the reason I like TikTok because it's explosive traffic. No matter what platform I'm using to get traffic to my lead capture page, the main goal is always to teach, educate, and inspire people. I've been around the marketing game enough to know that TikTok offers this exclusive opportunity for high organic reach right away. In other words, you can start today and expect to get traffic the likes you won't really see on YouTube or other platforms for months or even years with daily consistent posting. So it behooves a person to really get into TikTok as part of their marketing and part of their traffic generation. Now, initially, when I started TikTok, one of my main goals as an affiliate marketer was to cast out this big net to try and capture as many opportunity seekers as possible. So a lot of my videos were really about different ways that you can create side hustles on the internet. But now I'm starting to really hone in and focus on the quality of prospects that I want entering into my business. So I may not be getting as much traffic per se as those big general nets, But my focus these days is really to hone that down into creating high quality videos for the people who would be interested in Legendary Marketer solely. So one of the goals right now is just to be really as transparent as possible to see how I am using TikTok to get people to my lead capture page. So the first thing, let's just take a look at my page. I got about 25,000 followers, 92,000 likes. One of the main things you'll see here is in my description box, I explain who I am, an affiliate marketer, and my goal with folks who are visiting my description box is to help you leave the 9 to 5. And there's a very clear call to action to my lead capture page, which is the 15 days to legendary.com. The videos that I've been producing lately have been a little bit less in terms of traffic, but it's really focused on trying to get as many interested parties into Legendary Marketer. Lately, I've been testing reposting old videos as a way to recycle traffic and recycle content, and it has been actually producing great results. Like here's one that I posted the other day, maybe 4 days ago. We can see in the back end that that particular video that I reposted from a couple months ago is actually my top trending video. 43,000 views, 4,000 likes, 172 comments, 1,500 shares. So look at this video.
Hey guys, you got a great voice? Well, you can make money with that voice. Go to voices.com. Check it out. Over 253 jobs available. Make up to $749 for 30 seconds and over $1,500 for a minute. Follow me for more.
So you'll see in that short video, the elements I tried to incorporate were using top viral songs of the moment. I tried to make it lively, entertaining, humorous. I have dancing, I have funny images pop up, all of the hopes of engaging the viewer. One thing I highly recommend, once you get any traction on any of these videos, always leave a comment back to any one of these folks leaving comments on your video. It will drive engagement up, which will help TikTok kind of push that video even forward more on their platform. Now, one of the main goals of my video, as you notice at the end, every goal of every video I make on TikTok is to drive people to the link in my bio, which is here in 15 days to Legendary. So you can see in the last 28 days in terms of my video views, I've had 73,916 video views, 25,100 followers, and there have been 2,800 people sent over to my profile to go check out my link. So hopefully I wasn't too confusing in the way that you can use TikTok to promote your business. People tend to like the shorter videos best. Use viral sounds, viral music when possible. If you don't want to have that sound in the background, you can actually lower it to 0, but as long as it's playing in the background, that'll be valuable to push the views up. When I'm looking at my posting frequency, I tend to notice that people are most active around 10 in the morning and 6 p.m., which makes sense. Early 9 in the morning to about 5 or 6. In all social media sites, it's going to behoove a person to have a consistent schedule of posting. When I first started out, I heard someone blew up their TikTok by posting 5 videos a day. So I did notice that once I was on a schedule of 5 videos a day, my TikTok grew quite tremendously. As I got into other marketing avenues or other traffic sources, the TikTok traffic sort of died down. Pick a schedule, whether it's 1 post a day, 1 post every 2 days, 3 posts a day, 5 posts a day, but be consistent with it. Something you can do consistently, and that will really help you in terms of growing your TikTok profile. Always leave a call to action at the end of your video to drive them to do something, whether it's to check out your YouTube channel, whether it's to subscribe, or whether it's to follow you here on TikTok, or whether it's to drive people to the link in your description. Always leave a call to action at the end of the video. Now, if this interests you and if you want to get into the world of high-ticket affiliate marketing, namely Legendary Marketer, the first step that you need to do is go ahead and go to the link in my description, 15 days to legendary.com. Go ahead and enter your email there and then follow that whole path. Join the 15-day Business Builder Challenge for only $7. You'll learn all the valuable high-ticket affiliate marketing skills you'll need to earn a full-time income with Legendary Marketer. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. If this is the kind of content that resonates with you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Ask me any questions you may have, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, you have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon.